Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on Overdraft on Cash App. Alright, let's begin. To enable Overdraft on Cash App, you first need to qualify for Cash App Green status. Overdraft coverage is only available once your account meets the eligibility requirements set by Cash App. This feature cannot be manually activated without qualifying. To achieve Cash App Green status, you must meet at least one requirement. The first option is receiving a minimum of $300 in direct deposits every month into your Cash App account. The second option is spending at least $500 each month using your Cash App card or Cash App Pay. Once you meet either of these requirements, Cash App automatically upgrades your account to green status. After that, free overdraft coverage is enabled automatically. So that's basically how you can turn on overdraft on Cash App. That's it for this video. Thanks.